Hello, Kartapult users. This guide explains how to use your Kartapult's Facebook Ads Manager effectively. First, navigate to Facebook and select Ads Manager. Here you can see the campaigns, ad sets, and ads associated with your Facebook account. You can observe the key metrics for all campaigns, ad sets, and ads level. These metrics are customizable. Use the drop-down button to see any desired metric. If you want to add any metric, you can also add metrics of your choice, and you can save this view in which you want only specific metrics. And assign a name for it? Click on Save. This will be saved as the custom view of the Ads Manager for you. You can switch back to the default view anytime you want. Then, if you want to see your active and inactive campaigns, click on Show All Assets button. If you click on any campaign, it will redirect you to the ad set page that the campaign contains. On the ad set page also, you can see the corresponding metrics for the ad sets, which is also customizable. And if you click on any ad set, it will show you how many ads are running under it. If you want to change the date ranges, select the date range for which you want to view data. If you want to compare the data between two date range, click on Compare and hit Update. You can see the comparison by the percentage change displayed. If you want to see your campaign on Facebook, that option is also available. If you want to learn how to create a campaign on Kartapult's Ad Manager, click on this tooltip button and watch our video of how to create campaigns and ad sets using Kartapult on Facebook. You can also pause any campaign or ad sets that you want. Click on any one campaign and then select Manage Assets. You can pause your campaign, resume it, and you can also change the budget for it. You can also apply these available filters to customize your Ads Manager. Let's say I want to see only campaigns with sales as our objective. Apply the filter with objective as sales and click Apply. It will only show those campaigns which have sales as an objective. So this was all about our Facebook Campaign Manager. Thank you for watching.